if you cannot do the full push-up on the ground or the knee push-ups, you start from here. So you keep about a little more than an arm's distance to your wall. So this is your arm, one step behind, and then you keep your arms little wider than your shoulder. The wider it is, the easier it is. So let's say you keep your arms here, and then what you do is, and we're just trying to increase strength in our chest and our shoulders and our arms. So you keep it and then you fall straight on the wall there and let it push you. Yeah, so you fall straight, push. That's it. You fall straight and push. When you are falling, so you do this, right? Try to go towards the wall there. That's it. And come back. So when you are falling again, we should try to get our shoulders in line with our elbows. That's it. That's all we do. And go back. Right? If you can get them further, that's not good. So just in line with your elbows and push yourself. That's it. And do this about 10 to 12 repetitions 3 times. As you see, you can just do it anywhere standing on a wall. Now, if this is easier, then you find another surface which you can go down on, like your countertop or your tables. Right? So if you can go down on your tables, and this is more of a distance. So mind it, like your final position will be this, right here. Stand up. Again, your shoulders in line with your elbows and go. You want to make this easier, you find a higher object, like a chair or something. But this moves. So this is a bad example. Like this one. There. Okay, so the higher it is, the easier for you it is. So you start with the wall and then you progress to something like your countertop or your table, whichever is easy for you. You do this for like a week, every day, go for 30 repetitions and all, and then you see how you can do it.